How to wear multiple hair in Roblox Mobile. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial, but first you have to go to your Google Play Store or App Store and then search for this application. Okay, so you just have to type Kiwi browser, KIWI browser, and install. Tap this blue here. Wait as it is installing. And then once done, all you have to do is to click open. So this is what it looks like. This is what Kiwi browser looks like. Now here, you just have to look or search for BTR Roblox or BT Roblox rather. And then choose the first one here, BT Roblox, making Roblox better, Chrome web browser. So what you're going to do with this is to simply add this to your Google Chrome, okay? And then here, what you're going to do is to simply click add to Chrome, okay? So add this to your Chrome. And then once you have added this one, all you have to do is to simply go to your Roblox account. So to do that, you just have to type it right here, Roblox account, and then log in your username or your email address and also your password. Now the question is how to wear multiple here in Roblox mobile. When you have logged into your Roblox, all you have to do is to click avatar. Then you can see here different features and options like accessories, characters, clothing. And now in order to wear multiple hair in Roblox, you just have to look for the hair option here or accessory, tap, and then that's it. You just have to choose. As easy as that. So if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.